Morning everyone. There was moderately large earthquakes off both the eastern and western coasts of Africa yesterday. In the United States, an electrical issue caused a temporary problem at a nuclear plant in Tennessee, but they say there's no danger to the public. During a recent visit to the United States, a Mossad chief sought to ascertain our reaction to a potential attack on Iran, but we were also able to ascertain that they're not telling us all of their information. Folks, this was the scene yesterday as the Greek parliament debated and eventually approved the austerity measures. Folks, they are not enough to solve the debt. There are no austerity measures that they can put in place in Europe or the United States to fix the debt. And if they could put in place appropriate austerity measures, it would completely destroy our way of life. And riots and violence is pretty much what you can expect when this kind of thing happens all around the world. It's just getting started. Having a look at the F2 layer, our critical frequencies are high again for the second day in a row. You can see that same area has a high ionization showing here on the total electron content. You can look at the yellow and the orange, which is the solar wind speed and the solar wind density. They are both on the incline right there, as you can see. We are coming into a solar wind stream from a coronal hole that was pointed at us 2 or 3 days ago. You can see it is starting to cause a bit of temporal variations here on the induction magnetometer, and it is just now starting to cause the slightest bit of horizontal disturbance on the flux gate magnetometer. We are seeing very short-lived spikes on the ACE LE electron and proton flux. Nothing major, just very short-lived here. Taking a look at the sunspots we've had our eyes on for a few days, this is that one that came out of nowhere and was morphing quickly. It's kind of calmed down. It is just a beta spot and is turning a limb. No real danger here. This is that old 1402 that put off that X-flare 2 weeks ago, but 2 weeks of decay really has kind of made it a shell of its former self. I might take a look at the development around this sunspot down there. We are less than 24 hours from the impact of that magnetic filament eruption that we had right there. You can see here on video of the sun last night. We have 2 dark coronal holes that will be turning towards an Earth-facing position in the next couple of days. Let's keep an eye on some of these filaments turning over the northeastern limb. That's top left as you guys are looking at it here. Other than that, no major eruptions last night. Be safe, everyone.